Alright, I know it's kind of hard to see here, but I feel like I hit the jackpot. So today I'm kind of excited because we're going to try and put some trim in on the foyer, or the foyer as my wife likes to call it. And it's kind of some old school trim, and I don't have a lot of that just lying around, so I'm going to look up in the top of the shed and see if there's anything up there. And I'm kind of excited about it because you don't know what kind of treasures we're going to find. I've not been up there before. So we might find something really cool from the late 1800s. Or we might just find a lot of coon and possum poo. So let's see what we can dig up in there. Alright, I know it's kind of hard to see here, but I feel like I hit the jackpot because I've got enough trim here to definitely finish the downstairs. The upstairs of the house has virtually no trim, and I don't know if it's enough here to finish the upstairs as well, but I think I could get pretty close to finishing the upstairs too, so I feel like I really scored here. Lucky. I mean, we've even got some of these little smaller pieces I wasn't sure if we were gonna have for the doorways. And then we've got some of the longer baseboard pieces here too. Some of them are painted white, and I think that's okay, but I think I've definitely got enough here to at least finish the downstairs and maybe get a good start on the upstairs. Alright, so I think we've snagged about as much as I need. So now we're just going to try and scrub it down and clean it up and pull all the nails out of it. Got the nails all out. Now it's time to recruit some extra help. Alright, we've got everything kind of scrubbed down. It's probably going to need to be wiped down again. Hey, we have a visitor here at the farm.
I'll give you a stink eye.
It's Poopsie. He claims he has pink eye.
Does it look like it? It's kind of going
Open
shut.
up wide. Okay, I think I see it. So he's here to get some milk from Laura. He used this last time, put a couple drops in, and how long did it take to...
Only like 2 or 3 days.
A couple days later?
Yeah, I mean,
He's good to go.
Quick. You guys just gotta keep having kids so I can keep coming back.
Well, you gotta ask Becca and Jess too. Alright, we'll keep it clean and don't spread it.
Yeah, that's the plan. I'm gonna go home and quarantine myself.
Do that. Alright, Mama's starting lunch. What are we gonna have today?
We are going to have yellow squash fritters from our garden. We're going to fry them up in some oil.
And we have had this meal before. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give it?
I'd give it maybe like an 8. It's got some flavor and it's filling.
An 8?
Yeah, no? You think it's like a 4?
I think 8, 9, and 10s are for like ice cream and cake and brownies.
Well, on a nutrition value, it's like an 8 because it's got lots of vegetables. So if you're wanting to be a piggy, it's probably a 4. But if you're wanting to treat your body good, it's probably an 8.
I'm going with 6.5 or a 7. It tastes delicious, but it's not as good as ice cream. Laura's gonna throw this recipe up on the blog a little bit later this week. and we accomplished what we set out to do today. We got the trim up around the doors. They're looking pretty good. I don't have the little medallions. A lot of the other doors in the house have little medallions on top. I couldn't find any of those. I have a feeling when they took them all down, they probably broke. But at least we got this accomplished today. And I still have to do some trim around the bathroom, but that's got a couple of different issues. So we got it done today, though.